Mr. Mike.
Hey, what's up, Mike? How you doing?
How you doing, buddy?
Yeah.
Can I borrow you?
Oh, definitely. What's up?
SEMA.
Oh, yeah.
It's that time of the year.
Yep. It's always fun the last quarter of the year.
You're our resident expert, in my opinion.
Okay.
So I've got some questions for you, and hopefully you can help us out. So obviously you're a big piece of coats. You've been around a long time, engineering manager. But let's put on your SEMA hat. Mm-hmm. This year will make how many years that you've been to SEMA?
This will be pushing either my 10th or 11th year. Yeah.
I'm looking for some tips. Mm-hmm. You know, first-time attendees especially, or those that really don't get to SEMA, or maybe it's been a long time since they've been to SEMA. What are some things that excite you about SEMA, and then also some tips that you can provide for those that maybe this is their first time?
Go see the new product showcase. That kind of encompasses everything that's going to be at the show. They have like a little standard booth there. You can walk that kind of array of all the new products that are going to be there, and then go back to the booths. Then we get to book in that on Friday night, SEMA Fest. So that's a huge opportunity there. It used to be like SEMA night, where you get to showcase music and cars, but now it's SEMA Fest, and really focus on what the aftermarket world is all about.
Let's talk a little bit about the significance of SEMA. Mm-hmm. And for me, being a part of SEMA, mm-hmm. What are some of the things that I should really take advantage of as far as just being part of SEMA as a whole and what they bring to the industry?
I mean, there's 140,000 people attending this, so you're going to be running and elbowing with a lot of people that are in the industry that you're going to be able to really network. There's also educational opportunities. There's seminars. So you not only be able to go see the products hands-on, in person, and get to see the demos and be actually able to ask questions, but you also get educated on some of the equipment and the solutions that they provide for your shop.
So communication, networking, education, and also the opportunity to buy some things, right? This is a big, big opportunity for folks to come in and make purchasing decisions. So when it comes to buying equipment, whether I'm buying one, I'm buying 100 pieces of equipment, what advice would you have for me on making decisions on what I'm buying? What should I be looking for?
Well, know your customer demographic. Then you need to know your working environment, and then what kind of features are you going to need for that, and how is it going to interact with your own shop environment. One of the great things is you've been probably looking at catalogs or online of applications, so you get to see that in action, and that's what you'll get your hands on that experience, and you get to ask the questions, and so you will be able to really be mindful of that product environment that you need to bring back to your shop.
And for any given day that someone is there, over under 50,000 steps a day, am I going to be over or under 50,000 steps per day?
Well, if you do your homework up front, you're going to be over.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be looking at a bunch of, you're not just going to be going to coats, you're going to be able to go to all the booths out there, and you're going to be comparing all the equipment. So if you're doing that and you're walking around and you want to see each and every one, you're going to be way over 50,000 steps.
But little birdie told me that there's possibly going to be some new innovative equipment that Coats is bringing. Is there any truth to that?
Absolutely. Yeah, we always like to bring something each and every year. This year, we definitely are going to bring some, I would say, solution-providing equipment for our customers to definitely get a hands-on opportunity to look at and explore, and then also maybe even give some feedback on.
Fantastic. All right, Mike. Well, hey, I appreciate it. I'll let you get back, get out of your hair, and thanks again.
All right, thank you, man. See you later.